Looking for some carbon fiber hotness for your engine bay? This is a Password JDM battery cover. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Password JDM carbon fiber battery cover specific for the 08 through 14 WRX and STI. Got the carbon fiber awesomeness right here. So what this will do, this beautiful piece of carbon fiber will go directly over your ugly battery, because let's face it, most batteries don't look that cool. No one really cares to see the batteries unless you've got some like awesome lithium tiny little battery or something that you're trying to show off. Most likely you want to hide it, and that's exactly what this thing does. So it bolts in using all factory hardware, slips right on, and just covers your battery. Now it's an easy way to clean up the engine bay, because Password JDM makes a ton of like cool engine bay covers, and if you combine them, you can actually get a really cool effect where it kind of looks like this like flowing sea of carbon fiber awesomeness. And this is just one of the very unique and cool pieces that they have to help do that. Now it does have a little Password JDM badge on there, which I think is a really nice touch. The carbon fiber weave is beautiful throughout, even on some of these like tight corners, they keep that nice consistent weave. And it does have a UV protective coating, so it should help resist the fading, because carbon fiber is very susceptible to fading in the sun, and you know, the coating that they use will really help prevent that, keep this looking nice for a very, very long time. All around is a very high quality piece, incredibly lightweight, very well made, and it's just a very cool piece, whether you've got a show car or not. If you're just wanting to clean up the engine bay, make it pop a little bit more in good ways and not bad ways, this is an awesome way to do it. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.